Hello everyone, this is a Craftsman with a 42-inch deck. It's hydrostatic transmission. Got that engager there. Bottle, new battery as of about a week ago. 15.5 horsepower Briggs. Pretty decent condition, just an oil change. New carburetor. No, this one wasn't new carburetor. But lights work. Blades were sharpened. New deck belt. Drive belt's okay. Tires have held air overnight. Don't know if they're going to hold long term. It had been sitting for 2 years prior to this, and 2 tires are holding air. The other 2 are a little lower, but not completely flat, so it should hold air for quite a long time. Start it up and run around a little bit. Other thing, deck, brakes, and clutch. The actual brake for the transmission does work. Other than that, that's about it with this little thing. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments.